Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about list of Germany scholarship grants and fellowships for international students. Pre-medical school Hungary. Become a pre-medical student in Budapest, Hungary and pass medical university requirements. This is the first scholarship and there are many other German government scholarships. That scholarship for master student. Here you can see the deadlines and in which degree they are offering the scholarship. There are scholarships in Germany for development related postgraduate courses. This is offered for masters and PhD students and this is the deadline annually. And next course starts in 2024-25 year. So you can see here some are still open. This is not closed, this is currently closed, this is currently closed, this is still open. Friedrich Naumann Foundation Scholarship for International Students, this is also open. You can check the deadline and course start date, and masters and PhD degree students can apply for that scholarship. These are the scholarships on which you can apply. Study a master's in Europe scholarships. I'll put the link in the descriptions. You can take a look here and you can see which scholarship is suitable for you, then you can apply for that scholarship. That research grants for doctors, candidate for young academics and scientists. They have brief research grant for doctor candidate and young academic and scientists are awarded to highly qualified PhD candidate, recent PhD or individual wishing to earn a doctorate degree in Germany, which will be the host institution, field of study, number of scholarship, target group, how much will be the scholarship, allowance, eligibility. You can see all the instructions here and then you can apply on this website. I'll put the link in the description, and if you have any question related to that scholarships, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye.